Chapter 6. Delhi, the heart of India. Learning objectives. The capital of India. Historical background. Governing Delhi. Climate. Places of interest. Transport. Health services and others. People and culture. The capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Haryana surrounds Delhi on three sides. Uttar Pradesh is in the east of Delhi. Delhi is well connected by road, rail and air. A major road called Ring Road is all around Delhi. An outer ring road and a network of roads helps people to go from place to place. A number of flyovers have been built all over Delhi. Fact file. Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal ruler of Delhi. In 1857, after the First War of Independence, the British captured Delhi and sent the emperor to Rangoon jail. When Delhi became the capital of India, a new city, New Delhi, was built in a wholly new form. Historical background. Delhi is one of the oldest cities of India. There is a fort known as Purana Killa or the Old Fort. It is said to be built by the Pandavas. This city at the time was known as Indraprastha. The area near the Red Fort and the Jama Masjid was called Shah Jahanabad. This was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Delhi is one of the 8 union territories of India, but it is special. It is called NCT. NCT stands for National Capital Territory. New Delhi, Old Delhi and nearby areas are collectively called NCR, National Capital Region. Delhi is a metropolitan city. Governing Delhi. Delhi has its own elected government. It has a legislative assembly with the chief minister as the head of the government. Since it is the capital of India, all important offices of central government are located here. The President, the Prime Minister, all cabinet ministers and senior government officers live in Delhi. The Chief Minister, other ministers and Lieutenant Governor, the nominal head of Delhi government, also live in Delhi. The ambassadors and high commissioners of other countries also live in New Delhi. Climate. Delhi has an extreme climate. It is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Hot, dry wind called Loo blows during the summer months. Monsoon months are July and August. Places of interest. The Red Fort is an important historical monument. It is made up of red sandstone. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag here on the Independence Day and addresses the nation. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. It has 340 rooms. The gardens here, known as Mughal Gardens, are very famous. During spring season, they are opened for the public for few days. Fact file. Rashtrapati Bhavan is located on Raisina Hills. India Gate was built in the memory of those Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives for their motherland. A flame burned here continuously. It is called the Amar Jawan Jyoti. Parliament House is the most important building of our country. It is circular in shape. The member of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha held their meeting here. All the laws of our country are passed in the Parliament House. Qutub Minar, a majestic tower, is situated at Mehrauli in South Delhi. It was built by Qutubuddin Aibak in 1193. It is 72.5 meters high. It is the world's tallest freestanding stone tower. There is an iron pillar near the Qutub Minar. It is more than 1500 years old. Even today, there is no sign of rust on it. Lotus Temple is the Baha'i house of worship. It is not very old. It was completed in 1986. People of all religions visit it to see its beauty. Fact file. Lotus Temple is the most visited religious building in the world. Rajghat, Shantivan, Shakti Sthal and Vijay Ghat are memorials to our national leaders. People pay their homage to the national leaders. Children are greatly attracted by Zoo and Rail Museum, Shankar Dolls Museum, Nehru Planetarium, Jantar Mantar, etc. Transport. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has changed the face of the transportation system in Delhi. Metro Rail has made the journeys easier and quicker. Health services and others. There are many private and public hospitals in Delhi. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, is the most important of them. Delhi is the heart of India and is full of activities. You might have heard of Ramlila Maidan, where important public meetings are held. Fact file. The India International Trade Fair, or the IITF, is an annual fair that takes place at Pragati Maidan, Delhi. It is organized by the India Trade Promotion Organization, ITPO. It is organized in the month of November every year. People and culture. Delhi is a cosmopolitan city. People from various states of India come here in search of work and settle here. Food items like tikki, chole bhature, golgappe and seekh kebabs are popular all over the city. People from different cultures are settled in Delhi, so it has places of worship of all faiths. Hindi and English are the two main languages for communication. It also celebrates festivals of all the regions of India. Points to remember. New Delhi was made the capital of India in 1911. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. There are many worth visiting places here. The Qutub Minar and the Red Fort are old monuments. India Gate, the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliamentary House are famous places and buildings. Delhi is a mini India. Here, people of all regions live together. B. Select